Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Tech-led sell-off permeates currency markets and forces AUD sharply lower. Analysis http ntvforex.com News ID 7CA1998 2020 10:54:38 p.m. AUD Australian dollar. The Australian dollar fell through trade on Tuesday, giving up supports at 0.7260 amid a broader safe haven push. Having drifted sideways for much of the domestic session, bouncing between 0.7280 and 0.7310, the AUD corrected sharply lower overnight as U.S. investors returned from the Labor Day long weekend and resumed last week's equity sell-off. The shift in risk sentiment through the end of last week and start of this week has seen the AUD give up 24-month highs above 0.74 to touch lows at 0.7210. With little of note on the domestic macroeconomic docket, direction will continue to be governed by broader risk plays. The rout in U.S. equities has seemingly spread to other financial instruments, and if the tech-led sell-off continues, we could see the AUD come under sustained downward pressure in the short term. That said, the correction in equities appears nothing more than a healthy adjustment given the swift and aggressive rally enjoyed over the last month. Despite the correction, we expect the AUD will maintain its long-term upward momentum and continue to test higher highs as we move into the fourth quarter. Key movers: safe haven currencies outperformed through trade on Tuesday as the rout on US and global equities continued through trade on Tuesday. The CHF, JPY, and USD enjoyed strong gains as commodity and growth-correlated currencies shifted sharply lower. The USD climbed of 28-month lows to post a fresh 4-week high, buoyed by a broader risk-off tone and GBP correction. The sell-off in U.S. stocks helped fuel demand for the world's base currency, while heightened Brexit concerns forced sterling back below 1.30. The Great British Pound marked a 4-week low Tuesday as fears Britain is looking to undercut trade talks and leave the EU without a trade agreement grew. The latest round of talks began with Britain suggesting it would override parts of the withdrawal agreement once it leaves the EU. EU officials retaliated, warning there would be no trade pact if the withdrawal agreement was not upheld. Talks soured, and as the self-imposed October deadline looms large, it appears increasingly likely the two sides will split without a plan to sustaining the relationship into the future. Touching intraday lows at 1.2975, there is a sense the BA's July-August rally is over. Brexit fears are again front and center, and a break without a deal will likely prompt a deeper GBP correction. Expected ranges: AUD 0.7130, US dollars 0.7310, AUD 0.6080, Euros 0.6210, GBP 1.7820, Australian dollars 1.8180, AUD NZD 1.0820, 1.0950, AUD 0.9480, Canadian dollars 0.9620. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.